Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Napoleon Bonaparte and Madame de Remusat. This game was played in France in 1804. Napoleon Bonaparte had white pieces and he started with knight to c3, going for the Dunst opening. e5, knight to f3, attacking the pawn on e5. d6, defending. White to move e4. d4 is the most played move nowadays. Napoleon played e4. f5. White to move h3, preventing future bishop to g4. f takes on e4. Knight takes on e4. Knight to c6. White to move. Perhaps developing another piece comes to mind. Napoleon played knight from f to g5. Is this a good move? Madame de Remusat spotted her opportunity and played d5, attacking the knight which is defending the knight on g5. White to move. How would you continue in this position if you had white pieces? Napoleon played queen to h5 check, g6, queen to f3, threatening queen to f7, checkmate. So, if d takes on e4, queen to f7, checkmate. What would you do in this position if you had black pieces? Madame de Remusat played knight to h6. Perhaps bishop to f5 should have been considered. Knight to h6. White to move. How would you continue now? Napoleon played the best move, knight to f6, check, and both knights are okay now. King to e7. Knight takes on d5, check. King to d6. White to move. How would you continue now? Napoleon played knight to e4 check, sacrificing the knight on d5 for the king hunt. King takes on d5. How to continue now? In this position, Napoleon played another brilliant move, and that is bishop to c4 check. What a move, sacrificing the bishop in order to take his opponent's king to the land of no return. King takes on c4. What did Napoleon have in mind when he sacrificed the bishop? What would you do? Napoleon played queen to b3 check, king to d4, white to move and to checkmate in one. And the move is queen to d3 checkmate. This was an incredible king hunt by Napoleon Bonaparte. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.